Hey guys, quick video, the comparison between the xp500 versus the xv500 and what are the main differences between these two. So the primary differences is that this is like so xv500 manages to add 5 hours of playback time at a higher volume level of 18. So it got 5 hour more playback time. So this is the first thing, you get a 5 more hour comparing to 20 hours. Then xp500 only manages 20 hours at volume level 16, megabytes on with lighting off. So then xv500 got Bluetooth 5.2, but the XP got Bluetooth 5.0. So this is something like the biggest difference between these two that I found that I wanted to share with you. They got both the same apx4, and that's pretty much it. So I just want to make this like really quick video between these two products, what you need to know, and have a great day and goodbye.